Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In today's session, we'll walk you through how to upload a trial balance in NetSuite. Let's take a look at the account we'll be uploading as part of the trial balance. Be sure to note the account's internal ID, as this is what we'll use to map the data correctly in the CSV template. In the current trial balance, you'll notice that the account is not yet included and no balances have been recorded. This applies specifically to the honeycomb for the period of May 2025. Here's another account we'll include in the CSV to update the trial balance for our sample. Be sure to note its internal ID, as we'll need it during the import process. In the CSV file, I've included several important columns. The account column contains the internal IDs of the two accounts. I've also added the debit and credit columns. Other fields include the subsidiary's internal ID, memo, date, posting period, line, and external ID, all of which are required or helpful for proper mapping during the import. I've already created a saved CSV import for this process, but I'll walk you through each step to show you how it's done. In the Import Assistant, start by setting the import type to Transactions, then set the record type to Journal Entry. Next, select the CSV file we prepared earlier for upload. Set data handling as Add and click Next. In the Field Mapping step, map each column in your CSV to the corresponding NetSuite field. Make sure to set the subsidiary and account reference types to internal ID, since that's the format we used in the CSV file. Add an import name for this upload. Once everything looks good, click Save and Run to start the import process. Looking at the job status, we can see that the import was successful. Let's now refresh the trial balance. You'll notice that the account balance has been updated to 50, and the variance account has also been updated accordingly. And that's how you upload a trial balance into NetSuite. Thank you for watching.